Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking in details from scratch about the FolksFinance X app that is used for the cross-chain. Right now they are having it on the testnet, and it's an incentivized testnet, which means that if you went to Galax, I will put all the links in the description. If you want to Galax application and solve the quests, you can collect some oats, and you will be eligible for an expected airdrop when they launch the Folks token later on this year or in early of the first year 2025. So this is the interface, as you can see, and this is the address. All the links will be in the description. This app makes you lend and borrow between different cross-chain, between different EVM chains. Right now they are integrating in the testnet, they are integrating Spolia, which is the main Ethereum, but the testnet of Ethereum, and the testnet of Avalanche, which is called Avalanche Fuji, and the testnet of Base, which is Base Spolia, and the testnet of Binance Chain, and the testnet of Arbitrum, which is called Arbitrum Spolia. Okay, so right now we have to connect the wallet. You can use any wallet. For the sake of this video, I'll be using MetaMask. The video will be long because I'm trying to explain things from the scratch, and as American says, from it's gonna be a video of from zero to hero. So I'll try to cover all details, so bear up with me. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. I will connect the wallet. I will be using a Ledger wallet for this purpose. And by the way, right now the app doesn't work on Trezor hardware wallets, but it works on Ledger. Okay, and so I'm confirming. It will might ask me for the password, or I think I already entered. Yeah, I already entered the password before. Okay, it will change the chains to Spolia because I'm on Spolia right now. Okay, so right now if we try to deposit, we can't, because we didn't have already opened an account. As you see here, they are saying you have to open an account first. Okay, so we will press here to open an account. Okay, I'm trying to make the screen bigger so you can see exactly what is the message on the screen was. So this is the message. Okay, so I'll open the account. Okay, press here, open the account. I'll create an account. I always prefer, because they build this mainly on Avalanche, so I prefer the master account would be created on Avalanche. This is my own opinion. Okay, it tells me that there is a mismatch because we were standing on Spolia and MetaMask was on Spolia, and we changed it to Avalanche Fuji, so I'll have to sync between both. Okay, so I'll right now it's okay. I will create the account. for the sake of this video, I'll be using Ledger, so I'll have to open the Ethereum application on my Ledger wallet. Okay, as you can see, there is an estimated fees which is 14 cents on AVAX. Okay, we have to make sure first that we claim our Faucets to have some free testnet tokens. So I prepared some links. I will put it on the description. As you can see here, there are some links. We will try to copy. Okay, this is the BNB, sorry, this is the Spolia testnet that you can get 0.05 Ether every 24 hours. I already have testnet tokens, but I was just giving you an example, because before anything you will be doing, you have to claim some testnet token to start working with this testnet. Okay, and then here this is the chain link Faucet. It can connect to many other chains. You can collect every 24 hours also. You can collect every 24 hours about 25 link token on each EVM chain that you are using. Let's say Arbitrum or Avalanche or Spolia or Business Spolia. But Ethereum, you can connect 0.1 every 24 hours, then it will expand. It will be 48 hours and then more than this until it reach 100 hours. So you will be able to connect this every day. I will refresh because I had an error. I don't know exactly what was the error, so I'll refresh. The video is gonna be long because I'm trying to put things in scratch. The wallet address is wrong, by the way. This is the wallet I'm using, and then I tell you the get token. Now it's sending. This is failed because there is a message I already claimed before, so I have to wait 39 hours again. But the link, the 25 link, I already got. They will be sent, because the 25 link you can claim it every 24 hours. As you see, it's success. Okay, so let's get back to the site. We'll be opening the account. Okay, right now we were creating the account and MetaMask stopped on the transaction that I have to approve. Create the account. I'll pay the fee and make sure that Ledger is plugged in, and I will confirm, and I will confirm on my Ledger. Now that I've confirmed the transaction, it will take some time to be approved. Just need to refresh. Now that account ID is already done and the transaction went through and confirmed, as you see, this is my account ID. So after this, I will invite addresses from other chains. Normally I'll be using the same address, the same EVM address across different chains, because it's EVM wallet and the address is the same, and I normally will use one passphrase, one wallet with the same ID. So I'll invite address on other chains. Okay, so I'll invite on Spolia. I'll press here because it's the same wallet. I will send invitation. MetaMask will open again, will pop up again and ask me for a confirmation. Okay, I will confirm it on my ledger. It will take some because you know ledger, I have to click some clicks on the ledger, so it will take a bit more. Now it's sending the invite. So I'm now spending Spulia. I'm on the account on the Avalanche. Good job, the invitation has been sent. Okay, and then I'll invite another address again. I can invite other address as you can see here, or I can get back and see the invites. This is invite on Spulia. Okay, so I'll invite again. I'll invite base Spulia, my address, and I will click invite to have the same. What I'm doing now is to have the same, to have one account across different chains. I'll confirm. I'll accept. Take some few seconds to approve. I didn't try actually to pause the video many times because I don't care how long the video is, but I care that you will see the whole process from A to Z without any cuts, so you should understand perfectly how it's done. Because I can see on Discord some people face some problems on the account creation on different chains. Okay, good job, I've been invited. Okay, so I'll invite again. I'll invite this time BNB, the Binance chain, the same address. Continue. The pop-ups that you see, it's a plugin I use to check websites for, against phishing attacks. You know, in crypto you have to be secured totally. I'll send the invite. Now I have to confirm it on my ledger. I'm sorry, I didn't set up my video correctly to let you see the clicks on the ledger. Now it's accepting. You will see the pop-up now. Good job, I already sent the invite. I will invite again the last one, which is Arbitrum. We only have Arbitrum right now. By time, by the way, they will integrate more EVM chains. I'll confirm. I see now the TX on my ledger. I spent some clicks. I pressed cancel, so I'll pause a little and I will do it again without pause. Let's send again because I pressed cancel. That was my mistake. As you see, it's a very simple process, but the sequence is a bit complicated. This is why I didn't want the video to be cut and to be one shot. I did accept this time. As you can see, the send invite is dimmed here. Now it's a good job. I already invited. I'll try to invite again. There is no any chain because we already invited everyone. Okay, so we click here to see the account. There is to see here you can check the account properties. If you have a pending operation, those invites are still pending. I already created the account, and then I invited 4 different chains, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 chains that I did invite with the timer. Okay, as you can see all the log here. You can see here, failed operation, there is no failed operation. This is a log screen that you can see what happened exactly. Okay. So right now we will try to deposit. If we deposit right now, we cannot deposit anything only on Avalanche only. We cannot deposit on any other chains because we didn't accept the invites yet. I can also try to switch the network here on MetaMask to switch to Spolia. I will try to deposit. As long as I remember, I have to accept the invitation, which I didn't accept. So I'll try to deposit here. Seems it's working, but I cannot. To perform, you must have this wallet on the chain. Let's maximize this to read it correctly. To confirm the operation, you must have this wallet and chain connected to an account. So we have to accept the invitation. So I'll go to the account properties again. I'll pause a bit. Well, we have to accept the invitation that we send from the Avalanche to other chains. Where can we do this? We will close this, and then we change already to Spolia. I will change back to Avalanche to let you see what I want to make you see. We are switching right now. If you go to the account, we will find this is the account, okay, and everything is okay. If we change the network here to Spolia, to Base, to whatever chain is here, we will switch it, and we will ask a confirmation from MetaMask to switch the chain. I will see the invite. Okay, so I'll have to accept this invite. This is another TX I have to do, and it tells me that I make sure that I have to trust this account because this account will be tied to the first master account on Avalanche. Okay, so I'll click yes. It's another TX I have to do, and all these TX cost you gas, and all are free token. You have to claim first from the Faucets that I will be putting in the description. I already made another video about the Faucet and how to claim it with some links in the description also. It's a short video. I hope you like it. I'll confirm, and then I'll accept it on my ledger. It's accepting. It takes some time. We are already 18 minutes. I'm sorry for your time when you see this video, but I tried to explain lots of details, lots of small details to make you understand the whole process. And excuse my language because my native is Arabic. There are small videos about this from the FolksFinance tutorials and from the FolksFinance link about the launch of the testnet. I will put the links also in the description so you can check whatever you like. Okay. Now, as you can see, the account appeared, Avalanche, and the Spolia is the same address. So we will change to another chain that we did not accept the invite from it yet. Okay, the base Spolia. So xChain, accept, yes. We are accepting the invitation. All the invitation we are accepting for the same account ID. that sends the invitation that was made on the Avalanche first. So I hope you do the same when you create the account. You start with Avalanche and then you send the invitation from it. The FolksFinance guys say that you can open the account on any chain, but I prefer Avalanche because Avalanche is the master chain that FolksFinance choose to work on it as a hub. I'm accepting on my ledger. I'm sorry if it takes some time. As you can see, the accept is dimmed. Once it's not dimmed and light's blue, that means that TX went through and everything is okay, and my account is already tied to this EVM wallet on Basis Poolia. Good job. As you can see, it's been accepted. So right now we still have BNB and Arbitrum. Accept. Yes. Confirm. Now I'll sign the X on my ledger again. Already signed. It will take some moments to pass through and confirm it that it was a success transaction. Okay, good job, it's done. We only have Arbitrum right now. Switch chain to Arbitrum. By the way, when you first switch the network here, it will ask you in MetaMask to import the setting of this chain because it's a testnet and it's not already in MetaMask. When you set up MetaMask extension first time, it doesn't have this this setting for those test chain. It only has Poolia, the Ethereum testnet. Okay. Well, seems there is a problem on Arbitrum Spulia because I see lots of people couldn't create their account on Arbitrum, so we will stop here and until I get a confirmation from the support guys in Discord that Arbitrum Spulia is working correctly, because it doesn't accept. I don't know why, and lots of people already said there was a problem. So this is the mainnet. As you can see, the same address is already on the 4 chain. We still have Arbitrum to go, but it seems like it doesn't accept the TX yet. Don't know why. Maybe it's because I made a mistake here. I'll see what I can do. I'm setting it manually to Arbitrum and I will accept. MetaMask doesn't open. Anyhow, it's a test chain, so some bugs, you can face some bugs somehow. Okay. So right now we already have the account. So we'll click deposit here. Right now we are on Arbitrum. Arbitrum is not linked because so if we tried to, actually it doesn't appear here also. I don't think it's fully integrated in the test chain yet. We will change to Spolia. Now we have changed. Okay, as you can see here, this is the available assets to deposit. and this is the network. As you notice, the USDC is already on all chain. This is why it's appear on Avalanche, Arbitrum, Base, and Ethereum. Avalanche only on Avalanche, Ethereum only on Spolia, but there is another version on Base. Okay, so if you want to deposit Ethereum on the Spolia net, we click here. Okay, and we deposit Ethereum. But if you want to deposit Ethereum on the Base or on the Arbitrum or on Binance, we have to click to switch chain. Let's say we will deposit Ethereum on the Base Spolia. Okay, so we have to switch chain, and we also have to have some balance of Ethereum there. So I'll try to deposit. It tells me that I have 0.241. I will try to put a deposit of 2.1. You have to notice about something also, that depositing across chain takes a bit time. It will tell me, it tells me here that I have to wait for 20 minutes. So I'll put the deposit and approve the TX, and I'll pause the video for 20 minutes until I get a confirmation. Confirm. Accept on my ledger. Let's say at these 20 minutes you are stuck and you don't know what to do and you are worried. You can always check the account properties here and check the failed operation or the completed operation, if it was completed, or the pending operation. We have a pending operation here. It should appear here, but it might take also some time. Okay, so I'll get back here and we'll see the complete operation. We will review it, creating the account and then inviting and then accepting, and so on. This is the pending operation. There is a one pending operation. It appeared right now, as you can see. Not also to this pop-up that appears here. It's from the interface. So I'll check the pending operation. We will find that there is a pending operation here. Deposit 0.1 ETH on Spolia Base, wormhole, and the time, but it's still pending. After 20 minutes, it will move from pending to done operation, which is a confirmed operation. I will pause the video right now and get back again. Well, it's still pending. I just want to tell you about two things I forgot to tell you about. You can click on this notification and click view details to see the TX when it confirmed. It should be popping. I don't know why it's not popping. I'll try to put it in the new on a new video. It leads me to the operation, the pending operations that I told you about. It's still pending here, as you see. The other thing that I want to tell you about, if you click here about more, you will see the Faucet. We will open in another page. This is the Faucet page. Most of these Faucets works only when you have a mainnet balance of Ethereum about 0.01 or something like this, but only the Faucet of Chainlink, this one, and the Faucet of BNB Smart Chain that works for free, and another Faucets I'll be putting in the description here, like this one. This is a Faucet from Circle about for the USDC only. Let's say we have USDC on Spolia, send. Already it will be sending to me. It gives him a confirmation. and I can send euro also. Sometimes it gives you the chance to receive every hour, I think. It tells me that the balance should appear shortly in my wallet. Okay, and then I get more and choose another, Arbitrum or Fuji, Avalanche Fuji, the testnet of Fuji. Those are testnet tokens. They are dummy tokens. They are used only for testing. It's not real, guys. Okay, send testnet, already sent. Seems there is no traffic on this time because I normally get errors that the faucet is out of tokens. Try again after 1 hour. Wow, good, very good. So this is, as I told you, this is another chain, and there is also. I'll put all the links. I'll put all the links. I'll put this link to read more if you want to read about the testnet. This is official data from FolksFinance. Still pending. We can see this on the explorer of the wormhole or on base Spolia Explorer. This is the TX. We can see it on wormhole and we can see it on base. As it tells you, it's testnet transaction. It said success here, but it's not confirmed on the website yet. And this is on the wormhole. It seems that it's on the VA transaction has not been issued yet. I don't know exactly the VAA is a shortcut for what, but I think it's some kind of confirmation. Anyhow, I'll pause again until it's confirmed, and I will get back to those links on the Explorer to make sure you see the difference. Hello. Well, after 21 minutes, as the TX said, it's out of the pending operation, and we can try to check out if it's in the failed operation. It's not failed, and in the completed operation, it's already in the complete operation. Deposit 0.1 ETH on Spolia, and we can see it here also on the deposit. As you can see, this is Spolia, and this is the wallet balance that I have, and this is well, I think I'm a bit confused. This is the deposit, sorry. It's already, this is the deposit, and can also withdraw if I want. Let's check the wormhole Explorer now after the update. It says it's now okay. It's confirmed, as you can see. All the steps are done. Before this step was missing, the last one. So everything is okay. It only takes time. Okay. Actually, I'm not sure if when they apply the main chain on the main net, will it also take this time or no? I think it might, because it seems it's a connection. When we do any TX for deposit and withdraw on any chain, it runs through wormhole service. But for us it's invisible, so normally wormhole take time to confirm this. Anyhow, we can withdraw if we can, or we can go to loans. We already deposit, so we can we have to put, if you went to loan, we have to put collateral first, and then we make a borrow. I'll try to make collateralize something. I'll try to collateralize on I think on Spolia I have some USDT. I have to create a loan first. Test. The same like you are using the FolksFinance main website on the Algorand chain. Here, on the loan process, you have to create a loan and then collateralize some asset and then borrow some asset. General, create a loan. I called it test. It should open MetaMask as always. Instead of opening Pira on Algorand, okay, there is a gas fees. I'll confirm it. Now I'm confirming it. I will make another video in details about how to loan and to make a loan and collateralize and so on. But this is only a small thing extra in the video. So I'll created the loan. It should appear. I'll try to refresh the page. It's pending here. It's pending operation. Create a loan, view details. I think it's done. It's already done. So I'll manage the loan and I'll collateralize some assets. I'll collateralize some USDC. I already have 90 USDC. I'll collateralize 50. Actually, I don't think I will make it because it says estimated time 17 minutes, so I cannot make the video more long than this. I already got tired. I've been waiting for 20 minutes, so I'll be waiting another 17 minutes. But anyhow, you know the process. I'll try to make another video about the process as a whole in the next few days. Final notes that I want to tell you about. Don't forget to go to the Galax contest to claim and get the odds. Okay, and also there is an important note. Don't ever forget to use the same wallet you connected to the testnet, the EVM wallet that you connected to the testnet. Use it in the Galax application. Okay, make sure of this. You have the same wallet. Actually, in the Galax application have a great feature right now that you can add more than one EVM address. Right now I have 3 EVM address and one Aptos and one Solana and one Sui. It only accepts one of each. Only on EVM they accept more than one. I have 3 on EVM addresses, and the master is this one. The master address is the one that receives all the OATs and the NFTs that you get from the Galax contest that you solve on any application, not only on FolksFinance quests. So you have to make sure that you use the same address that you used in the application of the FolksFinance testnet. The same address, you use it in the Galax application. This was my final note about this whole process. The video is becoming about 39 minutes. Okay, I'll have to tell you bye-bye and thank you. And I'm very, very sorry to have this long video, but I did try to make sure that I covered lots of things. Oh, I forgot also one thing. I'll put the link for the Discord. And if you have any problem, you can visit the bug report for the xChain here. Lots of people are talking about some bugs because it's a test chain, so it's normal to have bugs. This is why they put the app first on the testnet and then they apply it on the mainnet when everything is okay. And by the way, they have a bounty for developers. You can check their Twitter. They have a bounty for developers. If you are a developer, try to detect bugs. There is a great bounty. I think it was about 10k USDT will be split between the contest guys that detect any major problem in the code. Okay, so this is the bugs that people are reporting. I already did report bug about the Arbitrum because I already found other people saying about Arbitrum that they couldn't solve it, they couldn't add the address, and they cannot deposit on Arbitrum. So there are still bugs on Arbitrum, and this is someone 3 days ago couldn't create an account on Spolia Arbitrum. So it's a matter of a day or two and they solve it. I hope you get the whole idea about the xChain and how to create the account and how to deposit or withdraw or take a loan. And thank you very much and bye bye.